here. What do you do with it? What do you do with it? You brush your hair. Now, what about the shoe? Okay, you want to keep brushing? Here, brush. Brush your hair. Good job. Can you take the shoe? Here, shoe. Take the shoe. What do you do with the shoe? Take the shoe. Take the shoe. Put it on your foot. Put it on your foot. Good job.